Learn with Billy.
Please subscribe. Click on the like button.
King Henry VIII lived a long time ago.
Well done, Billy. He did live a long time ago. He was born in 1491 and lived until 1547. He was king in the 16th century, from 1509 to 1547 when he died. Henry wanted to look rich. He had many jewels sewn into his clothes. He ate rich foods. Over the years he had 6 wives. Catherine of Aragon, Anne Boleyn, Jane Seymour, Anne of Cleves, Catherine Howard, Catherine Parr, Henry started the Church of England so he could divorce Catherine, his first wife, and marry Anne Boleyn.
What did you know? Henry had a fool to make him laugh. He was so tall because he was 6'2".
This was very tall for Tudor times, as the average man was 5'5". Hampton Court Palace was one of Henry's homes. He is buried in St. George's Chapel in Windsor Castle. He had a good singing voice and composed music. He also played several musical instruments. Three of his children went on to rule England after him.
Thank you for watching. Learn with Billy.